gosh! There's 50 cops down there. We'll see right now, but have a good one, guys.
Right on through.
Dude, what the, dude, how do we just get like... So welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be meeting up some homies as usual. We got with the Super GTR and stuff, but we're going to a German meet, foreign meet. Obviously I have a muscle car. There's obviously other muscle cars, but from what I know, it's gonna be like only like legit cars. So we're gonna see. We're gonna meet up with a bunch of homies. And then we're probably just gonna like go find some places to send it. So we're gonna see if there's enough room, I'll send my car, but if not, I'm just gonna record everyone else. So it's gonna be a good time. I'm excited. Make sure you guys like the video right now if you guys enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of these. Make sure you guys like and comment right now. Let me know what other cars you want me to buy. I'm actually looking to buy more cars, you know. So let me know what you guys want to see. It has no grip, bro. It's just slipping. But that's all good. That's part of the... It's okay, I need to get new tires anyway, so. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, what kind of cars you want to see me buy next. I'm kind of like, I'm in a situation where I can actually buy another car. So we're going to see by the end of the year. Pretty much on the way now. This is like the perfect street. You know, last time there was a cop here just waiting for me, but perfect street, so we're going to do a little pull before we make it, before we meet up with the homies and chill, so. Bro, you heard that, right?
Of course. It's loud.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Beautiful, bro. They hide this for.
That's good there's no cars.
Yeah, pretty much just this one road, you know, because dude, this car is like, I can't do it. Oh my gosh, I need to straight pipe this thing, bro. I need to straight pipe this crap. I can't wait, bro. Imagine. It has such a unique sound, dude, I'm telling you. But dude, I'm hyped for the channel. I'm really hyped for the clothes I got to come out with because I feel like it's pretty inspirational, you know what I mean? Like whatever situation you're in, you know, the hard road will always lead to paradise, you know what I mean? Like this is not easy. Owning a car like this is not easy, you know? It takes a lot of work. And plus my goal is not to only own this car, my goal is to keep growing. So, you know, I'm putting myself in a spot where like I gotta keep growing, you know what I mean? So hustle till you can't, you know? What's happening? This is like a roadblock right here, bro. One car go faster.
No, yeah, they're both slow.
Oh, dude, I can't even get through. Dang it.
Slow.
This is just such a perfect road because everything's so close.
Yeah, literally. It's okay, you're already sent on a good road.
Oh,
Dang, you're
dude.
Ripped.
Dude, it's so aggressive. It's like, it's such a unique feel, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's only a mid-muffler, bro. I love that noise. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna stop recording. We're gonna stop by this bowling alley right now. Maybe do a couple clips for fun. Yeah, I'll probably do a couple clips if we do bowl. And then we're gonna be with the homies. Might be kind of dookie because it's so dark outside, but yeah. This goes hard. Sheesh, bro. I'm excited for this car meet though. It's gonna be a vibe. Dude, so sick, bro. Oh my god. Left, right wheel drive, bro. Goes hard. Dude, setup goes hard. Mark 4 Supra, Mark 5 Supra, GTR, Hellcat. Let's go. Yeah, I'm excited, boys. You know, there's not a single muscle car with our group, but hopefully when we go there, we'll meet some Hellcat homies. Because last meet we went to, which was at Porsche, no Hellcat owner. So hopefully we meet some more peeps, but I'm excited. Let's go. Foreign squad in the Hellcat, bro. This is funny. Wait, let's go. Can we see the setup? super revving is funny, bro.
Fireworks.
Oh my gosh! You see that crap?
Yeah.
Oh, that goes hard! Oh my gosh! Yo, that's freaking awesome! Oh my god, dude! That is such a sick tune. Oh my gosh!
So aesthetic.
Behind us, M4, let's go! I'm hyped. Oh, dude, there's another M4 behind us, bro. Oh my gosh.
Nice cars.
Dude, there's a freaking Ferrari. It's not at the gas station. Goes insane. We gotta keep the spot chill. We're not trying to get kicked out right now. That freaking M4.
Oh, this is my my high school friend.
No way, that's him.
Fastest guy here.
It's tuned? Yeah, was he the one popping it?
Yeah, that was his laptop.
It was beautiful. Oh, sick. Yo, this is freaking nice. Oh, that guy. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I kind of like.
I know you're itching to do.
I just like our squad, bro. I just love our setup, dude. Just so. Oh, dude, this is M5. Oh, let's go. I like this one right here. I like this. Exactly. Oh, I love the rims on that thing. Oh, that's a freaking M5. Dude, if your brother was here, he would fulfill the squad.
Yeah.
He would.
Dude, the flames are fire.
Dude,
Thanks for doing that. I got some
beast.
fire videos.
Yeah, we got some videos for you, so we're gonna see how it looks after I edit them. E63, that's exactly what I want. Oh, I love the sound, dude. He's gotta guess it. Oh, he's still looking for parking? Dude, I love that E63, bro. That's the freaking thing. Rabbits, bro. That goes hard. That goes hard, bro. Oh my goodness. Dude, what? I never thought I would see one. Rocket, bro. What? Dude. Fully pimped Brabus. G900. Bro. I'm gonna get one more video of this. This is amazing right here, dude. Dude. What? Sick little meat. That's just such a vibe here. Hellcat. Dude, the raining vibe is, dude, makes it look sick. It's such a vibe, bro. Now, you know, just to do legal things. It's private property, so we have paperwork for everything, permits for everything, but it's about to be a vibe. Let's go. What the fuck? Just McLaren came out of nowhere? Dude!
Those gloomy weathers.
Clean. Nice setup, bro. This is a dope setup right now. Is that hers? It is hers. That's dope. There you go. Alright, we made it to the meet, bro. I don't know what's going on. We got permits over here, so we're chilling. All legal. It's a vibe over here. We got such a huge spot.
You want to hop in the passenger seat for the Supra?
Oh, hell yeah. He's cool with that.
You got to just run to him. You see where he is? The red one?
Oh,
So they're trying to get it. That's like...
Parked up there. Worst time of the night too, bro. And they made this road so freaking tiny. Even for the daily use, bro. It's like, but look at these sick, dude. So many foreigns here. It's like foreign central. I'm like literally one of the only super muscle cars here. Alright, so we pretty much just came to this, like, honestly, we're stopping by our friend's business and we saw this freaking takeover, which was lit. But pretty much semi-truck got stuck. They said there's 50 cops down there. We'll see right now, but still a vibe. I'm still vibing. We should be fine, you know. Like I said, we came here for business purposes and accidentally got into a takeover, so. But luckily this takeover is like in the middle of the street, so we're chilling, you know?
Yeah, it's an industrial area.
Yeah, it's more chill. It's more chill, you know, so. But at least I'm just happy the semi-truck actually made it through.
Yeah. All the way up there now.
I just love the, like, you know, I'm used to like ghetto car meets, not like foreign car meets, you know? Everyone says foreigns, it's a vibe. But it was a good time, it was a good vibe. We're gonna see what happens when we get down there though. I don't know what to expect, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see right now. But it's a vibe though. I wish I could went to here, but it's too much attention right now. Only foreign. And then when there was a muscle car, the muscle car showed the show, bro.
That's so true.
The Beamer drifts well, but the
Dude,
muscle
your car
gives-
would be the show right now. And
Yeah,
this,
but
in
I'll
this
destroy
weather.
the tires though.
I know,
Which actually is the
you
goal, actually. So, 'cause I need new tires, so might as well rip it off. Look at the freaking. You're good, man, you're good. Oh, he's dipping.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Cops pulled up, like a ton of them. We're gonna see if we're gonna make it through right now. making me so pissed, bro.
Really?
Well, dude, like, I have a Hellcat Redeye.
Yeah.
There's
You
no
have a
way.
drifting car.
There's literally no way I was legal, you know what I mean? And I've done nothing illegal, so I feel good. I'm very thankful right now.
Cars.
I understand why they're pissed because there's illegal things going on.
Yeah,
but
and then the semis are probably complaining.
the semis, you can tell they're like pissed. You know what I mean? I was so friendly with them, but I think they were respecting me having the lights on. You just gotta have like respect, you know? Like, if you show them respect, they'll be nice to you. They won't be like mean to you. Yeah, that guy's super cool because all the tire marks.
Wait, what happened? What
All
tire
the tire,
marks?
because of him drifting, it's all over his car. I'm telling you, dude, right now, having these lights on, they felt security. It doesn't look like we did it.
Yeah. Dude, if the cop tried to get every car, that'd be like over 100.
Yeah, no, they wouldn't do that. It just doesn't make sense to me. They probably gave a couple people, though, for sure.
Yeah.
The first, like, 5 people, I bet you.
Well, I'm glad we're going home. I thought we were gonna get towed tonight.
Nah, dude, we didn't literally check my car, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing illegal. Nothing going on. We made it out, boys. We made it out safe. Holy, this goes hard. This goes hard. Alright, boys, if you enjoy this type of content, like I said, I had no clue this was happening. You know, it just came out of nowhere, which was pretty dope, you know, if you know what I mean. But I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.